Guys, welcome back to our 69 GTO project. Now, if you saw the engine that we actually put in the car, you're probably asking, what is he going to do with this one?
Yeah, what's this?
Well, the owner wants to keep, right, this is the numbers matching motor for the car. He's going to keep a bunch of other parts.
True.
But this one's a great kind of showpiece to have around, maybe not in the living room or whatever.
Right,
but,
right.
We're going to preserve it. So we've power washed it, right? We've cleaned it, we've degreased it. We're not going to go downtown, but we're going to make it look nice.
Yeah, how we
Cool
going to do
display. Yep, a little bit of Dupli-Color.
Bam!
And some elbow grease.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
so we've got their engine enamel with ceramic. Now, the ceramic's going to be great for heat dissipation and maintaining that glossy look.
Sure.
It's perfect for engines, accessories, those kind of parts. Really durable, really going to look good.
And it can handle temps up to 500 degrees, not a problem. 34 different colors, so they got everything. Here's more of the Pontiac blue. I don't know who does their engines purple. You Ford guys like purple, right? Cummins beige, like a Ford red.
Let's get this thing ripped down a little bit, pull the intake off so we can do a real downtown job there and get underneath it because it looks kind of cruddy. So let's have a little bit of fun.
All right, back cleaning up our old, GTO block, making it more of a conversation piece than anything else. So far, we got it cleaned up with Dupli-Color's prep spray. It's gonna remove all the grease and crud, all that nastiness that's on that old engine. Then I hit it with some primer, which is great. That's gonna be resistant to a lot of chemicals as well. Now, the best part is the Pontiac engine color, the Pontiac blue metallic, as they like to call it, which is great from Dupli-Color. They have all kinds of engine colors. Again, chemical resistant, which is great. It's not gonna blister, it's not gonna flake or peel off, which you see a lot of times with other paints. So there you go, got it looking pretty good, actually, for a, an old beater engine, not bad. Now, obviously, we're gonna paint the valve covers, clean up the pulley. But again, this is really cool because it dries through the touch in an hour. You can handle it in 3 hours, which is great. And obviously, this living in a storage place, you don't worry about it. But, think about what environment, say, an engine in a street rod is living in, right? Vigorous, it's rich of heat and, elements and gunk getting thrown at it. So if you want a paint that really holds up, you can't go wrong with Dupli-Color's engine enamel with ceramic. Got one more coat to put on this, maybe two. And then we'll cover it with some clear. Be good to go to store that thing in the corner.